Hi everybody, today I am going to be sharing one of my favorite maths lessons called Numberman. It's called Numberman because it's like hangman but using a empty number sentence. I love this activity because all you need to play it is a whiteboard and a texter. I like to introduce this activity as a whole class, and what I need to do first is write the blank number sentence on the board. Now, depending on the grade that you are teaching, this number sentence might look like this. Or this. Or even this. So it can be modified in lots of different ways to suit the needs of your class, but for today's example, this is going to be the number sentence that I am using. And once I've done that, I write the numbers 0 to 9 down the bottom so that I can cross out some of the guesses that the students might have. But before I start, what I like to do is ask the students some questions. So generally one of the first questions I will ask is, what is the smallest number that this can be? And a lot of the time students will say 11. But then when we actually go back and we talk about the fact that these are two-digit numbers, that might get students to rethink the fact that this answer actually can't be 11. Or alternatively, I might ask students, what is the largest number that this can be? And a lot of the time students will go straight to 99 because they know that that's the largest two-digit number that I can make. Can it actually be 99? If so, what could these two numbers be? And then I get students to go away with whiteboards and write all of the different number combinations that they think would work. And once we've had some time to discuss the number sentence, then I will ask one student to guess the first number, and because there's no numbers on the board at the moment, they can choose any number and it has the potential to be in the number sentence. So let's pretend a student guessed number 3 and it wasn't in the number sentence. I just crossed the number out, and it's up to you how you want to play it. Sometimes I like to do a 3 strikes out. Sometimes I just like to go until they get the answer. It's really up to you how you want to run it in your classroom. So then the next student might guess that the number 2 is in this number sentence, in which case I would write all of the times that the number 2 does appear in this number sentence, and it appears twice. So then I might ask another student to have a guess, and they might guess 3, in which case in this number sentence the 3 appears here in the answer. So now this is another great opportunity for me to have some discussion with students around the fact that this number is a 20 number and the answer is a 30 number. So if we know that, then what could we anticipate that this number might be? And if students tell you that they think that number could be an 8, then we might talk about why that would not work in this number sentence, and we would give examples and we would do this together as a class. And so hopefully that would prompt students to then guess that this number is the number 1. And I like that because now students are starting to think strategically about this. And so now what I would do is I would ask students to grab their whiteboards or grab their notebooks and go away and write all of the different possibilities that could be the answer to this number sentence. And then when they come back, we would trial it out. And I like to use a different color to show the students' guesses. So a student might come back and say, I think that it could be 24 plus 12 equals 36. And we would check, and yes, actually that does work. What else could it be? And another student might say they think that it's 22 plus 12 equals 34. And we know that that can't be a possibility because we've already tried all of our number 2s and it's not there. And after trialing all of these different possibilities, I would then get students to have another guess, and we would eventually come to the conclusion that this was the number sentence that I was thinking of. And as the students get better and better at this, they're going to be able to start to think strategically about the different numbers that are in there without just blindly guessing numbers and hoping for the best. And over time, students might be able to play this with a partner or with a small group as part of a maths group activity. And the possibilities with this activity really are endless, which is why I like it so much. So I hope you like this activity, Numberman, today. If you did like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can be kept up to date with new lessons that I upload. And don't forget to visit the Teacher Author website where you can check out some of my books. And I look forward to seeing you at our next lesson. Bye.